The next topic is operations of whole numbers on number line. Operations of whole numbers on number line. You know what is number line, isn't it? Yes, I will show you a line which showing the numbers. Etc. The arrow we are using here, that means it can go up to infinity. Okay, it can go on. So this is a number line. Okay, so first we are going to discuss the operation addition. Okay, addition of a whole number on a number line. Okay, so for that I am taking an example. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So, if a question is given, then you draw a number line first. Then, which is the first number? 4. So, you mark 4. Okay. Then, what is the next number? 3. Okay. So, start from 4. You take 3 steps towards the right. Okay, take 3 steps towards the right. Okay, I will show you how to take. That is 1, 2, 3. So we reached at the number 7. So the answer is 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Is it clear? Now let's discuss another example. Example 2. 5 plus 4 is equal to. Okay. For this, let's draw another number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, which is the first number? Yes, the first number is 5. So, you mark the number 5. Then, take 4 steps towards the right. Okay. So, take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps towards the right. You reached at the number 9. So, what is the answer? The answer is 9. Let's discuss the subtraction of whole numbers on number line. So, for that, take an example. Example 7 minus 3. Okay. So, let's find out the answer on number line. For that, first draw a number line. Then mark the numbers. Now, look at the question. What is the first number here? Yes, it is 7. So, you mark the 7 first. Then, this is our starting point. Then, look at the second number. It is 3. That means, you take 3 steps towards the left. That means, you take 2 steps towards the left. So, 1, 2, 3. So, where we reached? Yes, we reached at the number 4. So, the answer is 4. Let's take another example. Example 2. 9 minus 4. Okay, 9 minus 4. So, answer this. Draw a number line. Okay, then mark the numbers. Now, what is the first number? It is 9. So, you mark the first number first. It is our starting point. And what is the second number? It's 4. So, you take 4 steps towards the left. Left means towards this left side. Okay. So take 4 steps. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps towards the left. So we reached at the number 5. So what is the answer? The answer is 5. Is it clear, children? Okay. So this is about the subtraction of whole numbers on number line. Now let's move to the multiplication. Now the next is multiplication of whole numbers on number line. So we know in addition we have to take steps towards the right. In subtraction we have to take steps towards the left side, isn't it? But here there is a small difference. So I will tell you that by using an example. The example is 4 into 2. Find out the answer of 4 into 2 by using a number line. So for that I am drawing a number line here. Then I am marking the numbers. Now, here you have to start the multiplication always from 0. Okay. So, 0 is the starting point. After that, you have to take 4 steps each. 4 steps each towards the right. And how many steps? How many times? 2 times. Okay. You have to take 4 steps each towards the right. How many times? 2 times. Okay. So, 4 steps each means you take a big jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first jump will end at the number 4. Okay. Then again a jump with the gap of 4. Okay, like that 2 jumps. So, one more jump is needed. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the gap of 4 again. So, we reached at the number 8. Okay, so we started from 0 and we took the jump of 4, the step of 4 each towards the right in 2 times. Okay, so we reached at the number 8. So what is the answer for this? Answer is 8. Okay, I will show you one more example. Example 2. 5 2s are. Okay, let's check what is 5 2s are. So draw a number line. Now, start from 0. Always start from 0. In multiplication, you always start from 0. Then, you have to take the step of 5 each. Okay, step of 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the first step, first jump will come to 5. Now, how many jumps are needed? 2 jumps. Okay, so take again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, mark it here. Then take the next jump. So where we reached? We reached at the number 10. So that is the answer. Okay, children, is it clear? Alright, I will show you one more example. 4 into 3. Okay, so draw another number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I am marking it little more. Okay. Now, where to start from? Start from the number 0. Okay. Now, take the step of 4 each towards the right. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. First jump will end at 4. Okay, it's not enough. It is only one jump is this. So we have to take 3 jumps. Okay, so each jump gap is 4. Okay, each jump gap is 4. So again 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next is at 8. Jump at 8. Is it over? No, it is only 2 jumps are over. One more is needed. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The gap of 4, you jump again. Okay, so we reached at the number 12. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 12. Is it clear, children? I hope it is clear for you. So watch this video again and again. Then clear this concept.